Adobe Photoshop. In this chapter, we will learn Photoshop, tools used in Photoshop, and Photoshop window. Adobe Photoshop CC 2014 is one of the most powerful image editing and creation software. It has new features like 3D printing, 3D imaging, blur gallery motion effect, etc. Starting Adobe Photoshop CC. To start Photoshop CC, first click on Start button, then click on the Adobe Photoshop CC icon. Components of Photoshop workspace are Tools panel, Options bar, Menu bar, Panels and Document window. Menu bar is the topmost horizontal bar in window that provides menu commands for performing various tasks in Photoshop such as edit, image, layer, select, filter, type view, window and help. Tools panel or option bar. Tools panel offers various tools such as edit, draw, paint and view messages. It is located on the left side of the window. Document window. Document window is the area that displays the image file that we want to edit. Panels contain functions that help to monitor and change various properties of an image. Save a file in Photoshop. Click on File button, then click on Save or Save as menu. Photoshop supports various types of file formats such as PSD, TIFF, GIF, JPEG and PDF. Selection tools. Selection tools allow to select a portion or a subset of an image to work on. Categories of selection tools are Marquee tools, Lasso tools, Quick selection tool, Magic Wand tool and Crop tool. Marquee tool. Marquee tool allows to select different portions of an image in a specific shape. Lasso tool. Lasso tool allows to select different portion of an image by drawing a free hand or a straight edged area. Quick selection tool. It is used to make quick selections over the image. Move tool, Type tool, Pen tool, Brush tool, etc. are some other tools in Adobe Photoshop. Layers. Layers are the transparent sheets that can hold objects and are stacked or moved to create the image composition. They allow the user to draw, edit, paste and reposition elements on one layer without disturbing the other.
Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop CC 2014. The CC means Creative Cloud. Is one of the most powerful image editing and creation software. Features of Adobe Photoshop CC 2014 are a user-friendly interface, advanced image adjustments, edit motion-based material, produce multiple or complex images, create graphics with reduced file size. Starting Adobe Photoshop. To start, click on the Start button. From there, you can select all apps. Then click on the Adobe Photoshop or click on the Adobe Photoshop shortcut on the desktop. Here you can see the Adobe Photoshop CC window. Components of Photoshop workspace. Here, this is the tool panel. The top you can see the menu bar, and the second here it is the options panel, and this area is known as document window. This is the panel dock. Menu bar. Menu bar is the topmost horizontal bar in window that provides menu commands for performing various tasks in Photoshop such as Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, Type, View, Window and Help. Tools panel or option bar. Tools panel offers various tools such as Edit, Draw, Paint and View Messages. It is located on the left side of the window. Option bar provides options related to the currently selected in the Tools panel. Document window. It is the area that displays the image file that want to edit. The name of the image file appears as a tab at the top of the document window. Panels. Panels contain functions that help to monitor and change various properties of an image. It can be placed anywhere on the screen. There is a separate area for panels. The most commonly used panels are first color, then swatches, here it is history, style, layers, adjustments, setting up the document. Here you can see the window for setting a document. Saving a file. To save, click on File and from File you can select Save or Save As option. Photoshop supports various types of file formats such as PSD, TIFF, GIF, JPEG, PDF. The Photoshop file format is .psd. Opening an image file. To open, first click on the File menu. Select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. From there, select the desired file using the Look In option. Selection tools. Selection tools allow to select a portion or a subset of an image to work on. The tools in Selection tools help to select all or a part of an image. Different types of selection tools are Marquee tools, Lasso tools, Quick Selection tool, Magic Wand tool, Crop tool. First one, Marquee tools. It allows to select different portions of an image in a specified shape. Different types of marquee tools are rectangle marquee tool, elliptical, single row, single column marquee tool. Rectangle marquee tool, which allows to make selection in a rectangular shape. Elliptical marquee tool allows to make a selection as a circular shape. Single row marquee tool, which allows to make a selection as a row that is 1 pixel wide. Single column marquee tool allows to make a selection as a column that is 1 pixel wide. Next one is lasso tool. Lasso tool allows to select different portions of an image by drawing a free hand or a straight edged area. Quick selection tool. It is used to make quick selections over the image. The selection expands outward and finds and follows the defined edges in the image automatically. Move tool. Move tool is used to select and move the entire image or a selected portion to a new location. Type tool. This tool is used to type the text in an image. There are 4 types of type tools: horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, vertical type mask tool, horizontal type mask tool. Warping text. Warping is used to position the letters or text in different shades. Pen tool. Pen tool is used to draw smooth-edged paths on defined parts in the image. Spot healing brush tool. The tool is used to repair imperfections like blemishes, dark spots, scratches, or other unwanted elements from an image. Brush tool. The brush tool helps to draw brush strokes of different thickness and colors. Clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool allows to duplicate the parts of an image by taking the sample image and apply over another image or a part of the same image. Art History Brush Tool. The tool is used to reveal the initial state of the image when opened in Photoshop. Eraser tool. The tool is used to remove part of an existing path or stroke. It is also used on paths to erase. Gradient tool. The gradient tool is used to fill the selected areas with a blend of multiple colors. Blur tool. Blur tool is used to soften the selected area of an image by giving it a blurred effect. Sharpen tool. The tool is used to change the contrast of the blur tool. Smudge tool. Smudge tool is used to smear the paint on the canvas. It gives an effect of finger painting. Dodge tool. It is used to lighten the darkened areas of the image. Sponge tool. It is used to change the color saturation of an image. Viewing tool. Viewing tools are used to adjust the view as needed while working on the image. Hand tool. Hand tool is used to pan the image. It allows moving around within on the image. Magnify tool. Magnify tool is used to magnify or reduce the display of any area in the image window. Color replacement tool. The tool replaces the existing color of an image with the foreground color. Layers. Layers are transparent sheets that can be hold objects and are stacked or moved to create the image composition. Selecting layer. At least one layer must be selected in order to perform most actions in Photoshop. Hiding and showing layers. The option helps to hide or show a specific or multiple layers at once in the Layers panel. Deleting layers. This option will help to delete the selected layers. Creating groups. Creating groups helps to add layers to a group and organize them as desired. Focus area selection. Focus area selection is an additional new feature in Photoshop CC. It can use to automatically select the area of a photo that's in focus.
That's all about this chapter. Thank you.